Hi guys, Russ here from Wilson Cattle Company. Today I'm working with Clarion County Conservation District's grain drill, or seed drill I guess you should call it. It has the standard seed box for planting oats, rye, soybeans, corn, whatever in that box. And then it has a native grass box on it, as well as a small seed box for like clover, timothy, canary grass, seeds that are really small. This here's the drill that can do it all. I'm just gonna show you how it operates. It's a pretty nice little drill. I really like it. It's a 10 row and it's on 7.5 inch spacings. It's done a tremendous job. I'm at my lease property. If you remember right, last year when we were down here planting, there really wasn't much here. There's still not a lot here, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was. So I'm pretty pleased with that. We got lots of clover in here. There's lots of grasses coming, and then of course the winter rye that we seeded in last fall. So let's get to it here and get this planted. Some shots of the drill working here and see, just show you how it really works. It's a neat little drill. All right, let's get our gun down going here, guys. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to rent this drill, it's available through the Clarion County Conservation District. It's available in Forest and Clarion counties in Pennsylvania here. And there's a lot of other counties. Crawford County has one, Clearfield County has 4, I believe, and a corn planter. So check with your local county folks. I mean, they don't charge hardly anything to use these things. They're like 12 bucks an acre to use. So, you know, it's a great opportunity. Now, I'm pulling with a 50 horse 4-wheel drive tractor, and honestly, it's about all my tractor wants to do to pull this. So it pulls it safely and it does a good job, but I think a little bit bigger tractor would be better to use this drill. So keep that in mind. You may have to go to a neighbor. Anyhow, I got shots of me on the tractor there. You can see it. I'm very unimpressed by riding circles anymore. It used to be I used to spend 10 to 12 16 hours a day in a tractor, and I have no desire to do that anymore. This is the most tractor time I'll get for the entire year. I'll have about approximately 8 hours of seat time planting here this spring, and then we'll probably plant another 5 or 6 acres this fall sometime. But that's the most seat time that I get on a tractor, and actually it's too much time on a tractor anymore. I have other things that I'd rather do. At one point, you know, I'd make 300-400 round bales a day, or in a couple days, and it didn't bother me. But I'm not impressed with tractor work anymore. It costs so much to run the darn things, and every time those things are run, that's cost you money. So anyhow, hopefully you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.